How to upload video on TikTok without losing quality. That's what I will show you in this video. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever a new video is uploaded. With that said, let's get started. So the process is very easy and simple. The first thing that you need to do is you need to make sure that the video you are trying to upload is already high in quality. Once you do that, you need to keep in mind that when using Wi-Fi to upload the videos to TikTok, the app will automatically upload the videos using the highest quality possible. However, that's not the case when using mobile data to upload the videos, as sometimes TikTok might upload the videos in bad quality and make them lose their high quality if you are using um, data to upload the videos. However, there's an easy fix for that. Just follow these steps. Go ahead and open up TikTok. And once you do that, navigate to your profile page by clicking on the profile icon at the bottom right. And here you need to click on the three lines at the top right corner, then click on settings and privacy. Once you are on this page, scroll down till you find the section that says cache and cellular, and from there click on data saver. And once you are on this page right here, you will see this option that says data saver, which you will need to turn off. And by doing that, you will be allowing TikTok to use whatever data it needs to upload the videos in their highest quality possible. It's that easy and simple. Also, if you are um, uh, if you enabled the data saver on your mobile device, make sure to turn that off too. It's different for each mobile and each device. So make sure to turn off the data saver on your phone too, at least when you are trying to upload the videos to TikTok, in order to allow the app to use the data needed to upload the videos in their highest quality possible. So that was it for this video. That's how you can upload videos to TikTok in the highest quality possible. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section down below. With that said, see you in the next video.